Wondering which mutual funds to invest in? Mutual funds are classified into several types. We can categorize mutual funds based on their underlying value, such as equity, debt, or gold, into equity mutual funds, debt mutual funds, and hybrid funds. These funds have varying risk profiles and investment goals. As a result, there is no single mutual fund that is best for everyone. The best mutual fund for you will be those that are acceptable for your investment objectives, risk tolerance, and time frame. Assume you are building an investment portfolio for your child's higher education after 10 to 15 years. In this case, equity mutual funds may be the best option for you if you are investing for the long term. However, equity mutual funds are divided into subcategories such as large cap funds, mid-cap funds, and small cap funds. Depending on your market risk, you can choose to invest in a large cap fund or a small cap fund. A small cap fund is riskier than a large cap fund because the latter invests primarily in large companies that are market leaders with strong financial positions. Large corporations are better able to judge business cycle downturns than small corporations.
Let's see top 5 funds in each category of mutual funds.
Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe.